Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back. In today's video, I am sharing with you my completely made over entryway. It was just completely bare. There was nothing on the wall behind me. I'm gonna insert clips on how this space used to look, and I'm gonna also insert clips of me kind of putting everything together. I'm gonna take you through everything, and I will link everything down below in the description box if you wanted to check out where I got it. So let's go. So starting over by the front door, this wall is pretty long. I would say it's probably like 20 feet. So this whole entire wall was completely bare. There was nothing. I think the width of this hallway is probably like 5 feet. I wanted something where we would be able to come in, sit down, take off your shoes, and just kind of have everything like organized in one space. So I figured going with a bench would be the best route, and then I got some storage baskets to go underneath. And I will link some options for down below. I'm not sure if you can still get these. I got at the store at home, and they were only $19 and they fit perfect. It was so hard to find baskets that fit in this space. And then that basket right there, I also got from at home. So right now we're just doing like some shoes in there and that kind of thing. So in the summer, I'm storing like sun hats in this basket. I have for us, and then for the kids, instead of just kind of leaving them all over the house, they go in there. And then in this basket, we're keeping sunscreen and bug spray in here. So it's all right here, because normally I kept all that stuff upstairs in the closet, but it's just so much easier to keep it right by the front door so that if we're running out, we can just grab the sunscreen and we're good to go. So my bench I got from Target, I believe. I think they also have it at Wayfair, but I will link everything down below. And these really cute pillows I got from the website Society6. They have so many amazing prints, and I just love these too. And then this pillow I got a while ago from Target, so I think that they look cute all paired together. This coat hanger shelf, I guess you would technically call it, I got from Amazon. I thought that it was perfect for this space. It was pretty inexpensive. I think they also have it from Target. You can pretty much get things like this anywhere. I went with the one, I think that was like 48 inches, I want to say, but it doesn't stick out too far from the wall. It was perfect for this space. And I just loved that not only did it have the hooks, but it had like these little sections up here where I could put a little bit of decor, and then I could also fit some baskets, because I wanted to make this little area right here like an organization station, part of like the entryway. So in these baskets, I am keeping keys and face masks right now, which works perfectly. So I just have a little container in here where we stick our keys, and then I keep some face masks in there so that you don't forget them when you're quickly running out the door. This little guy I picked up, I think from Home Goods, I want to say, but I just thought it was cute. I saw it, I thought it was cute. The picture frame I got at Target. And then in this basket, I have sunglasses. So everybody's sunglasses, there's a bunch of them. But I wanted a space where I could just put keys and sunglasses, and we have everything that we need. So I'm gonna insert a video of me putting together the shelf. It was fairly simple. These hooks, they came in like a chrome color. I wanted to spray them a pretty gold, and I thought that they came out really cute. It was super easy to do, so I will insert that clip really quick. So after I had this little space done, I still had a pretty good size blank space right here to work with. I was thinking maybe I would get a piece of furniture. I just didn't want that, so I said, you know what? I think that doing a gallery wall could look really nice in this space, and I ended up just doing this recently. This I've had done for a little while. And I got these really inexpensive frames from Michaels. They are 8x10, and then the center picture is 5x7. I wanted to go with all black and white and just kind of mix it up. I used the command strips to put these on the wall. It was super easy. I've done it before. I pretty much always use them for putting artwork on the wall, but I will say that these were very challenging because on the back, the frame itself had like a little lip that stuck out and you weren't able to really get the strips on. So I just had a little bit of space to work with, but I think that it came out really, really cute and I'm happy with it. And these frames were super inexpensive. They were only, I think like $8.99 from Michaels. And I think that they were also buy one, get one free. So that's how it's looking. I'm really happy with this space. I can always add to it, like if I wanted to do another row underneath. But overall, I am very happy with how this space came out, and I didn't spend a ton of money, and I think that it works. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I do all kinds of videos like beauty, organization, decor, lifestyle, things like that. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.